Today we are going to see about kids nutrition. So the topics which we will see are basics of kids nutrition, what are the components of healthy diet, macronutrients and micronutrients, full pyramid information kits, healthier food for kids and diet plan for growing kids. So let's take it one by one. So we will see first basic kids nutrition. So actually, up to the age of 19, human body goes under the phase of a growth. So there are 7 categories of nutrients which are required for growth. From that 6 are vital for the growth. For example, protein. As human body is made up of protein and fat mostly, like organs, livers, kidney, and these all are made up of protein. Sometimes we eat food because we enjoy taste of different foods or wants to experience different food items. And but other than that, for pleasure, we need food to get nutrients, vitamins, minerals, and energy. Proper balance all macro and micronutrients. So, if you are aware of all the micro and micronutrients, then it is very easy to understand what to eat and how to become more healthy. So, let's see all these 7 essential factors for a balanced diet, which are carbs, protein, fat, fiber, vitamins, minerals, and water. Macronutrients. So macro means large. So nutrients required for our body every day more than 10 grams. These are macronutrients. And these macronutrients are visible with our naked eyes. So what are they? So they are carbs, protein, fat and water. So we are going to see these one by one. So about carbs. So what is the function of carbohydrates? So major function of carbohydrate is to provide energy. So 50 to 60% of energy is derived from carbs. And energy is needed for various purposes like movement of muscles, skeleton muscles. When muscle is going to contract or expand, it requires energy. So in kids, more energy is required as their BMR is also very high. So there are basically 3 types of food which are like energy giving food, protective food and bodybuilding food. So basically from carbohydrates we get the energy. So energy giving food is carbohydrate. Then second is bodybuilding food, means protein. So this protein is basically required to develop our muscles and bones. And protective food protect us from illness. So all vegetables and fruits comes under protective food. Fat is also very important in our human body. So whenever there is a less of carbohydrate, then the body generates the energy from fat. So it breaks down the fat and generates the energy which is required. So important of good fats are for optimal functioning of cells, then improving the response of hormones. Balancing the good fats in the diet is very important. Now let's see micronutrients. So micronutrients basically required in a very small amount but play very important role in human body. So micronutrients is are nutrients required less than 10 gram per day. So they provide no energy as they don't have calories. These are essentials for all vital body functions. Micronutrients are required essentially are taken from daily diets. So which are the types of these vitamins? So there are fat soluble vitamins and water soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins mixed with fat or lipids but not in water. So basically these vitamins found in the fat of the food. So vitamin A, D, K and E are the examples. These vitamins are stored in human body, especially in liver. So these are not needed through everyday diet. Next point is these are the less chances of deficiency of these vitamins and high chance of toxicity if stored in our body than required quantity. So these are very important points of fat soluble vitamins. Then the water soluble vitamins. So these mix in water but not in fat. These vitamins mixed in water but not in fat. Found in foods where water content is high and fat is low, like fruits and vegetables and cereals, like vitamin C, B complex, B1, B12, etc. So these are stored in body in little amount. If this vitamin exceeds in our body, then it is thrown out by the body in the form of urine. High chances of deficiency of these vitamins are there, but low chances of toxicity. Now let's see the food pyramid for the kids. So basically the bottom part of the pyramid is fruits and vegetables and salad. Okay, so you can give as many as servings required for the child. The second most part is basically a carbohydrates, which are complex carbohydrates like bread, all types of grains and rest of the things. So you can give 3 to 5 servings for this, as kids are going to get maximum energy from carbohydrates. Then milk and dairy products, cheese, these you can give 3 to 4 servings. Meat, fish, eggs will come above it, which you can give 2 servings. And fats or oils, butters, this you can give in some amount. And the healthy drinks and the fast food and the junk food, you can minimize it as much as possible from the diet of the children. These are the list of some healthiest food for the children, as whole grain, eggs, nuts, seeds, vegetables, any kind of vegetables, milk and milk products, sweet potato and potato, dry coconut as it has a very good fat content, chicken, fish, meat, and less health drinks for the kids. A healthy diet plan is suggested for the growing kids. This is actually taken from the Pediasure site, as there are lots of options available in the diet chart, so you can go through it. It has a very good balance of food items are written for each day. So you can definitely explore the other also, and you can see this also. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.